another 2023 delivery miles Range Rover Sport. I think it's done 50 miles, so it's brand new, ready to go. You can call me, get it secured. Santorini Black D300 Dynamic SE. But again, when we buy them, we pick them so they're all a little bit different. You don't want the same black pack, black wheels. You know, they're all different. So this is, what I like about this, it's a little bit more subtle. So it's Santorini Black. It's a Dynamic SE, but it hasn't got a black exterior pack. So you've got the bronze inserts, the front splitter in bronze, the badging in that anthracite grey colour. It's got a beautiful ebony and cloud interior, which I love, which I'll show you. The wheels have been paid for as an upgrade, 22-inch, but they're satin grey. Again, big wheels, set the car off, but they're finished in a satin grey and it breaks the car up. You've then got the red calipers. You've got privacy glass on the back, and the ebony and cloud interior for me just sets the car off beautifully well. The car's got a sliding roof as well. You've got a lot of standard features on the new Sport: heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, front and rear heated seats. But it's the little things, the wheels, and this interior. I'm going to actually show you. Look at this interior. Ebony and cloud, it's called. It's two-tone. So you've got the cloud on the top, the seats. Seats are 20-way, heated, electric. And then you've got that beautiful, along the doors, you've got a darker roof lining, which has got the sliding sunroof. Memory seats, Meridian speaker system. And I'm just going to start the car up. And I love the steering wheel. So you've got that two-tone ebony and cloud steering wheel as well. So you've got the ebony and then the insert and stitching. Feels really, really nice. Shows off the detailing as well, the cloud interior. You've then got adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, digital cockpit, which can all be set out to how you want it. Look, I'll just quickly show you how that works. So if we go to display layout, you can change it. You can have full map, however you want it to work, but it comes out, look at that there, that's like Google Maps. You've then got the larger Privy Pro 13.1-inch screen, which has got all your camera system, which is superb. It's also got an electric tow bar, this car, as well, so you've got the tow and assist feature. And then I'll just quickly show you all the other features: Android Auto, Alexa, navigation, digital climate control. If I go into seats, a couple little differences with the seats. So that's easy and common, but if you go to adjust, you've got all the different, because these seats are 20-way, you can adjust all the sections. The one I like is this one, the cushion one. So you press that button and this bottom bit slides like that. It just makes the seating position very, very comfortable. This is a big one. So we've got the tilt and sliding sunroof. That's a big optional extra, about £1,500. Again, great feature, especially in the summer. Lovely, lovely feature. And then in the back, lots more space in the new Sport in the rear. The ebony and cloud's broken up lovely in the back. So you've got ebony, the centre seats, the cloud, then the centre seat in ebony, and then the other seat in cloud. Them seats are all heated and electric, as you can see on the door cards there. And then we've got great boot space, fantastic looking car from the rear. Great boot space, you can drop the seats down, but I'll just show you. So them two, drop the seats, that's an air suspension button, and then the big one, press the button, electric deployable tow bar. If you're not going to use it, trust me, it's hidden away. It's a big feature when you want to move the car on. People like it, it's got it. So that's a lovely D300 Dynamic SE. It's only done, I think, 50 miles. It's ready to go. Beautiful example.